Alright, HVAC people! Wrapping one up. Getting dark early on me. Got a condenser change out. Evaporator coil change out. Got it done. Working late nights. Had to do this job solo, but got it done. All right. Just wrapping it up. Yeah. So we got this one done. Yeah. Got a new Linux unit. Running good. Kind of cool out here. Came with about 50 degrees out here now. But I'm gonna let it run. Sound good. I don't stay far from here, so I'm just gonna adjust the charge on a more warmer day. But they just really need heat now anyway. But yeah, working late nights. Gotta get it done though. Yeah, gotta get it done. Got another change out tomorrow. Got it loaded up. Washing AC and heating. Got another 3-ton change out tomorrow. That's a furnace. That's a furnace coil and I think a 10 kW heater. But I'm gonna get some help on that one right there. I ain't gonna try to get that thing in there by myself. So I'm gonna have one of my partners come out and help me get it up there. But yeah, got a little scrap. Like I say, you gotta hustle. You know, can't be average. Can't work eight to 10 hours. You know, and expect to get something out of life. Well, some people work 2 or 3 hours. You know, millionaires. But at the end of the day, I'm trying to get there myself. But this is my skill. Love HVAC. Gotta work long hours, save my money, start investing my money in, you know, real estate or something like that. And I won't have to work these long hours. But right now I gotta grind and get it. That's what it's about. We out.